Welcome to the very first part of our tap workout series. These are exercises for the feet, and it doesn't matter if you can tap dance or not. This is not a tap dance tutorial. This is exercises for the feet based on tap dance. If you're a tap dancer, this is a great warm-up, particularly if you're a beginner, but great for all levels. If you're not a beginner and want to use them for warm-ups, join all the warm-ups together. And who knows, you might even make a simple dance out of some of the step combinations. So let's get going with the very first easy warm-up just to stretch out those feet. Start with basic circling, very good for balance as well. Change legs. Change legs, circle inwards this time. Change feet, circle inwards. Feet together, little rises. This time rise and hold. And lower. Rise and hold. And lower. Rise and hold. And lower. One more time. Rise and hold. And lower. This time point down, stretch up. Turn the toes up as far as you can. Change feet. Pointing down, turning up. Feet together. This time turning the insides and the outsides of the foot. Inside, outside. Change feet. Inside, outside. Lift the heels and lower, toes, lower, heels, lower, toes, lower, heels, lower, toes, lower. Exercise A. I'll mark it through first. If it's too long for you or your student, you can always do half of it and then do the second half as another warm-up. But I'll do it all in one go and then you can decide for yourself. You don't need to remember the order, but I'll go through it slowly first for you. Heel, heel, down, down. So that's up, up, down, down. You can do these as many times as you like. Any exercise where you need to change feet, you'd often do 7 to fit with the bar music. If you're not changing feet in between, then make 8. And then we're going to do a toe, back, front, back, down. 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 Then we're going to go up on the balls, stepping back, back, and then forward, forward, flat, flat. So it's up, up, down, down. Up, up, down, down. Balls, flats, balls, flats. Then we're going to do ball heels. Again, if you find some of this too easy, if you're high level for a warm-up, you can make different combinations of pattern and direction. Then we're going to tap out front and behind 7 times in a step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 together. Then we're going to do side together, side toes, side together, side toe. Again, you can do them as many times as you want. If you're more of a beginner, you'd repeat it more times. If you're more advanced, less. Then springs. Again, you could turn them if you want to. And then side spring digs. Spring dig, spring dig. And then you just begin again and again and again with the music. As I say, if it's too long for you, just do half of it. You can use any music you like, but the music I've used is linked in the video, in the description under the video. But do choose your own music, again, different speeds for your ability. But don't forget warm-ups, you don't want to go too crazy and too fast initially. Let's try with some music. Ready, and